Now what are we doing?
Number one.
Oh, drop right here, huh?
No.
Yep. Oh, I just barely missed it. I
Dad.
barely missed it. We're learning though, Tyler. Looks like we get as many times as we want, so it's not hurting us.
Okay. My heart.
Oh, it doesn't have to. You just can't let it hurt your heart.
Catchy guy,
Lift off. See my foot? Whoa! I only have 5 guys left.
So what?
You know what? Watch this. I'm going to see if I can do something. Oh, man, I just ran and got on. I didn't even jump.
Once again, you day a lot.